Now, according to the Good News Bible, Jews and Christian faith, you're living here, so you must know how the Jews and Christians veil is. In 1 Corinthians 11:5, any woman who prays or proclaims God's message in the public worship with nothing on her head disgraces her husband. There is no difference between her and a woman whose head has been shaved. Now, for the Christian woman, any woman who prays or proclaims God's message in the public with nothing on her head disgraces her husband. So the head covering is in the Bible. Head covering is in the Bible. If you cover your head, basically Christians believe. And in 1 Corinthians 11:10, on the account of the angels, the woman should have a covering over her head to show that she is under the husband's authority. I told you, they are subdued. On account of the angels, that the woman should have a covering on her head to show that she is under her husband's authority. Look, if you wear this, see the woman wearing on the ears also and this also. So the head is covered. Don't use intelligence. And the ears are covered. So you don't listen to God's message and like whatever the husband says. So this is Christian belief. Why? You are not a Christian. On the account of the angel, then a woman should have a covering over her head and to show that she is under her husband's authority. Then 1 Corinthians 11:6, if the woman does not cover her head, she might as well cut her hair. And since it is shameful thing, look, since it is a shameful thing for a woman to shave her head or cut her head, she should cover her head. And if for a woman it is shameful to cover her head, then she might as well cut the hair. And since it is a shameful thing for a woman to shave her head or cut her head, she should cover her head. If she is not cutting, then she should cover. For the woman, it's a thing of beauty. You understand? In the Bible, beauty is only hair. Nothing else. I don't know what kind of who wrote this. But for the woman, it is the thing of beauty. Her long hair has been given to her to serve as a covering. You know, long hairs are given to cover your hair, cover yourself, cover your this, cover yourself, up one here and one back. Make it half covering your front body, the other half covering your butt. So that's the hairs are given to you. This is for Christianity. And this is only the beauty, the hairs. Can you believe? The only hairs is the beauty, the rest is not beauty. So you will see Christian women only covering their heads. And the other things are very tightly worn. Because it's not beauty. She's covering the hair. I'm covered my hair. Because it's the beauty, hair is the beauty. What about the Quran? Quran says everything is a beauty. Quran says every woman is total beauty. So she can expose some parts and she can hide some parts. I have discussed that. But in the Christian world, only hair is the beauty. And you see the nuns, they cover this, or see a woman covering with this head. You must idea she's a Christian. You'll go, hello, I'm a Muslim. No, this head covering is not Muslim. This is Christian covering. You can show these verses. Yeah? So this is the finish.